Hey boy, where's he at? There he is, I got him. I got him. Whoa, almost no, yes, there we go. Now I got him. You gonna say something?
Yeah.
You gonna say something? Say it. What are you looking at? You want your biscuits? You want the biscuits? Huh?
Girl, watch him for a second, please.
No. You want your biscuits? No, I ain't gonna do it. He's a little troublemaker. Do what? Oh yeah? You want to go on YouTube? How about not YouTube, but Facebook? Huh? You want to go on Facebook? Huh? Oh yeah? Okay.
He ate him a whole bunch of fruit, Grandpa.
Did he?
Yeah, a whole little bowl full of it.
Look at him.
I gotta go get a diaper. I gotta get the diapers. You ready? Take the bath? You ready? I bet he's stuffed. I bet. Yes, you bet. Laugh at Grandpa.
Days, God said that He would